guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're anything like me, then you don't go anywhere without a snack. So I tend to get a little bit hangry and need to keep something on hand. So these are Nut Harvest sea salted whole cashews, and these are the perfect snack to keep when you're on the go. They are great to keep in your bag or in your desk at work, anytime or any place that you feel like you're gonna need something to snack on and hold you over and maybe just keep you feeling happy and energized. These are so awesome. So they're individual packages, and these are great because they give you a little added protein boost, and they're just really delicious. So I love the cashews because they are roasted and they have just the right amount of salt. So they satisfy that salty craving and they have a really nice crunch to them. So I really love these delicious sea salt cashews, and I love that they're in a super convenient package so that you can just take it with you wherever you want, and they're the perfect little travel companion. So I would definitely recommend these, and that is my point of view.